It's time to scrap one microwave, one freezer it's inbuilt in a cabin, and one more freezer. Two freezers, some aluminum, steel, some copper, and they have already been emptied from Freon. I got it from a service guy. And it wasn't worth to repairing it. Shot compressors, and he did empty them and give me it, so I can scrap it because he don't have the time for it right now. Too much work, too little time. So I will keep on scrapping. What a mess. I just sweep it together to put it out tomorrow. I have the door to clean, plastic and metal. So I will just do like this and do some final cleaning tomorrow. Some copper and some brass that I will clean. And then we have some aluminum tubing, some aluminum plate, aluminum handle, and then we have a steel pile. And then we have some more things to process. I will cut this open to get the engines tomorrow. Made in Germany. So I will take the copper out of those. Then I will take the wires and I will clean up tomorrow. So I will give you an update when I have continued and see how much it gets. Not much this weekend, but every bit helps, as we say. I want that full of copper, but you can only dream about it. The pile with crap, and one caravan chassis. So I will clean up, take those inside, and talk to you later. I got the pile of metal, aluminum, as I said yesterday, and that propane cooler going down, and getting more stuff still going to be thrown away. And here we have a soul cutter that my father has taken apart because it did break. So maybe this engine goes to the scrap. Aluminium cylinder, aluminium head, aluminium body. The crank broke. Here we have the piston and crank in pieces. But this is an old Norlet 1670s. Or maybe 80s, but I doubt it. Aluminium steering spindle, and the rest is just metal. So we will see if I can scrap it or not. Depends on if it's getting repaired or not. I will keep it. So now I only have some stuff to process, like those two motors, this tube to get the brass connection out, some copper and number 2 copper, and this is the metal pile for this weekend. One microwave, 2 electric coolers, one electric cooler, 1 electric freezer, 1 propane freezer, and some aluminum. Not much, but it will add to the pile that gets bigger and bigger and bigger. 1 aluminum bin, 1 metal bin, 1 aluminum bin. More aluminum. And some metal. Seems like you have more aluminium than metal. Seems so, but I doubt it. The metal is weighing more. And this is not only sheets, it's tubing. An old sewing machine. So I will add up, and I have some more in my backpack, but that's around 10 kilos. So I will clean up and then head inside. So far of processing, I have got this, some brass, not much, and some copper. And I still have this left to do. And some wires. It will not be much more, but I think I can fill that bucket too with copper. So I have 2 buckets of copper. But yes, I know it's a mess. But I'm out at a scrapping location, and I will do some thorough cleaning tomorrow before I go home. So don't to worry. Some metal in a bucket, and then I have some aluminium laying around. And some more aluminum. But I will fill this up with number 2 before I take it in. So I think I can get 100 kilos in this box, or 220 lbs or something. I had a smaller box with 80-90 lbs of copper sometime in a smaller box. So I will fill it up and take out some scrap to get fired, and I got Frank in my phone. That's still too. I did say bye-bye to Telenor. And yes, you see, I got the pink phone, not mine. I'm only borrowing pink phone, Pink Panther. So I will show you later when I have done some more pro. Now is everything processed and done. 1 bin of copper. and one more of copper. I don't know the weight, but I believe around 4 lbs or something. But every little bit counts, but I have not enough to sell right now. I wait until I have at least 44 lbs. That's my threshold for selling. And this is my scrapping pants. I did repair them there before because my knee was getting in it. And then it broke right there. I think I might throw these away, or if I do some more stitching. We will see. I don't know what's happened the rest of the night, but I think I will find something to do. So, talk to you later or in another video. We will see what it be.